Dear students, today we will continue with basic theorems of Boolean algebra. Basic theorems of Boolean algebra. So how these basic theorems are built? Okay, basic theorems ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ construct ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yesterday in the last class we have learned postulates of Boolean algebra. Postulates of Boolean algebra, and using those postulates of Boolean algebra, the basic theorems are given in the Boolean algebra, and these Boolean theorems are based on proof by perfect induction. Proof by perfect induction. Perfect induction means we will take set of case studies. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬೈ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. The proof by perfect induction means that one is a method of proving a Boolean theorem by substituting all possible values of the variable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೇವೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ properties of 0 and 1. We can see here the four properties are given. 0 plus x is equal to x. That means 0 plus x. X may be anything. So anything means it may be 0 or 1. But the result will be always x. For example, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. X ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ LHS ಅಂತೇವೆ, ಇದು RHS ಅಂತೇವೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 0 x 0 x ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೇವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ 0 plus x equal to x ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಬಿ 1 plus x is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus x is equal to 1. That means here x will not be replaced, but the 1 will be replaced at the output. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. x ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಈ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. That is 1 or x is equal to 1. That is gate representation. Same way for the ಇದು ಎರಡು or ಈಗಾಯ್ತು. The same way for the and. There are two properties. 0 into x is equal to 0. As you know, in the multiplication, anything is multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 into x and 0 and x is equal to 0. That is represented like this way. 0, x and symbol. Same way, 1 into x is equal to x. That is 1 into 0 is 0 only. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here x will be replaced. X will come in the output. 1 into x, 1 and x is equal to x. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಸಮೇತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So sometime the questions they will ask like prove 0 plus x equal to x using values or substituting values ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 0 plus x is equal to x. If x equal to 0, then left hand side LHS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತೇವೆ. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ LHS equal to 0 plus x, that is equal to we can substitute x as 0 is equal to 0 plus 0. The result is 0. That is OR relation. And on the RHS side, there will be x. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That means whatever x value we are substituting, the same result will come in the output. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಸಮೇತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಫ್ x equal to 1, x 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಹೀಗಾಯ್ತು, 1 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? LHS equal to 0 plus x is equal to 0 plus 1. x value ಇಲ್ಲಿ replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So x equal to 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. That means 0 plus 1 is 1 by OR relation. That means the output is x only. Okay, x value 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಈ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. Okay, this is how we can prove the properties of 0 and 1. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು, thus for every value of x, 0 plus x equal to x always, that is 0 x 0 0 0 1, r is equal to 0 plus x. So x ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So whatever x value we are taking, the same thing will come in the result. Next, a 1 plus x equal to 1. Again the same way you have to substitute the value. 1 plus x equal to 1. If x equal to 0 ಆದರೆ LHS equal to 1 plus x equal to 1 plus 0. Since x equal to 0, that the result is 1 by OR relation. Same way x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ equal to 1 plus x, that is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by OR relation. So thus for every value of x, 1 plus x equal to 1. Truth table, 1x, 1 plus x is 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Again x can have values 0 or 1. Both the values 0 and 1 odd with the 1 produces the output as 1. Therefore 1 plus x equal to 1 is a tautology. So a 0 into x is equal to 0. Again we can prove that thing. X equal to 0, LHS equal to 0 into x, 0 into 0, the result is 0. So RHS, that is on the right hand side, we will get the result as 0. Same way, if x is equal to 1, LHS is equal to 0 into x, that is equal to 0 into 1, the result is 0. So thus for every value of x, 0 into x is equal to 0. The same way, 1 into x is equal to x, that also we can prove. If x equal to 0, LHS equal to 1 into x, 1 into 0, that is equal to 0, that is by hand relation. X equal to 1, 1 into x, 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So it looks easy, but in the exams, sometime they will ask like, prove this statement by taking x values. Okay, then you have to write this concept. So there are different law or different theorems, and the first theorem is idempotence law. Idempotence law. Okay, come here. Idempotence law. IN is there, but N we are not using. So idempotence law. This law states that when a variable is combined with itself using OR and AND operator, the output is same variable. Okay, when the variable is combined with itself using OR and AND operator, the output is same variable. That means, for example, if you are taking x plus x is equal to x. Same way, x into x is equal to x. That only they have given here. x plus x is equal to x, x plus x is equal to x, x into x is equal to x. For example, if I take x as 0, then 0 plus 0 is 0 only. And if I take x as 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Same way, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Idempotence law. That is the first law of Boolean algebra, first theorem. What it states? When one variable is combined with itself using OR and AND operator, the result or output is same variable. That is the first theorem. And then second one is involution law. This law states that the complement of a variable is complemented again, we get the same variable. Okay, 1 is there. If it is complemented, we will get 0. Again 0 is complemented, we will get 1. Since there are only two variables. 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 0 ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. 1 is 0, ಅಗೇನ್ 0 is 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ x double bar. X double complement is equal to x. X, when it is double complemented twice, then we will get the same variable. That is the law, involution law. This law states that the complement of a variable is complemented again, we get the same variable. Next is complementarity laws. That is complementary law. That is the third law. Here we will combine a variable with its complement. This law states that x plus x bar is equal to 1, x into x bar is equal to 0. X plus x bar, that means x plus x complement is equal to 1, x into x complement is equal to 0. That means when we add x with the x complement, we will get 1. When we multiply x with x complement, we will get 0. That is the complementarity law. And the logic gate symbol is as follows: x, then for another output there is a not. X, again x is complemented here, x bar, and both are given to input for the OR. Then we will get x plus x bar and the result is 1. In the same way, x again complemented x bar and given to AND for the multiplication operation. X into x bar is equal to 0. Since there are only two values, 1 and 0. So one value is 0 means the result will be 0 in the multiplication. So if x equal to 0, LHS equal to x plus x bar, that is 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. If x equal to 1, x plus x bar, that is 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1.